guys, welcome back to another Q&A video. My name is Ayush and today I'll be answering some of your questions. Before starting, let me tell you that this time we have a really good questions to answer. So I'm really excited to answer them. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the Q&A. So our first question of the day is, do you plan to buy a graphic tablet for drawing? I would really love to, but not anytime soon because currently I want to focus on what I'm doing right now, that is drawing in a paper and digital art. I always wanted to try, but I don't think it's gonna be anytime soon because I have seen a lot of artists who do digital drawings and they use their tablets or those equipments which are appropriate for digital art, and personally I don't feel it would be more fun than drawing in a paper. But I would definitely love to try it in future. And that was a really good question. We have a great start of our Q&A. So let's get right into the next one. So our next question is quite interesting in fact. What is important in life, anime or studies? And I would say anime, because personally for me in my life anime has played more important role than studies. Of course studies are also important because they give you more knowledge, exposure and a better understanding of things which are happening around you, whereas in animes, as we all know, they are moral based stories and we always get to learn important life values. Japanese people are very well known around the world for their strong values for life, which we also see in their animes. So that's why I feel life values are much more useful than studies in the life. Again, a good question. And moving on to our next question, it is, are you in school or college? I'm not in school, neither in college. I have finished my school and college years. In fact, I graduated last year and I'm so happy that I have finished my school and college days because now I can do what I really love, and that is drawing. What do you like about the DPS series and what do you think of the ending? And who do you think is the most badass character in Naruto and DPS Super? And why? Okay, what do I like about DPS series is the fact that I can watch my all-time favorite characters in action again. Goku, Vegeta and all the characters. And for the ending, I think it was pretty good and I'm really looking forward for the next season. The most baddest character in Naruto, I guess that would be Madara, because he was such an epic character. He had such a great entry in the series and he was so powerful, of course. And for the DPS, the most baddest character would be of course Jiren, because we know that he lost at the end, but don't forget the fact that he fought alone almost with the most powerful characters, Goku, Vegeta, that too alone, especially at the end. So that's why for me it was Jiren. Moving on to our next question, and it is, are you going to do a live drawing series? That is probably going to be first time on YouTube. I will definitely do a live drawing series in future, but not anytime soon. I think it would be a lot of fun to do a live stream for drawing. I will let you know as soon as it's fixed. Hi Ayush, have you upgraded your Copic set yet? I didn't really get what you are exactly asking about, but as far as my markers are concerned, I have currently two Copic sets of markers, that is set A and set B. So I hope your question was answered. Moving on to our next question, it is, how old are you? Plus very excited for the new series. First of all, yes, I am also very excited for the new series that we had started. Not really started, but I have already got a lot of drawings received from you all. And if you don't know what the new series will be, it will be basically drawings from my subscribers video, and the first video of the series will come out next week, so stay tuned for that. And for your question, I am 20 years old currently and I'll be turning 21 in this May, and I'm also excited about that. Can you please show your very old drawings? Unfortunately, I have lost most of my old drawings. I had lots of drawings which I did earlier in my school and college days. But in past, what happened is I shifted from one house to another, and at that time I lost most of my drawings, for which I still feel very bad, but I managed to save one of my drawings from the past, which is still incomplete. I'll show you, and it looks somewhat like this. As you can easily recognize that it's Goku, and you can also see that it is still incomplete. I have already drawn his head and his chest. As you can see, the paper is torn out from the sides, and it has also lost its color, and there are a lot of stains on the paper, as you can see. Mostly around the borders, because it's a very old paper. I still remember very clearly that I had drawn this when I was in 6th grade, and at that time I was a big Dragon Ball Z fan. I used to draw almost all the characters from Dragon Ball Z. I had so many drawings that I did, but it's not with me anymore. I have only this one remaining. I really wish I had them and I could show you. At that time I did not used to ink my drawings and color them, so most of my drawings were only pencil sketches, and that's why in this drawing too it's only pencil sketch, and I never used any guidelines. I just used to start a drawing, and slowly it used to take shape, but it was always fun to draw no matter how the results are. And also I used to use both the side of the pages so that I can draw more in a single drawing book, and that's why we have one more drawing behind this, which looks somewhat like this. Okay, who remembers this? Can you make out what character it is and from which anime or which cartoon I would say it is? If you still don't know what it is one of the alien transformation from the Ben 10 series, which was quite popular at that time, and I was a big fan of Ben 10 too. I used to watch almost all the episodes, and I had drawn a lot more alien transformations, but I don't have them now. But luckily we have saved one drawing inside two drawings, but one page. And yes, this was my handwriting when I was in 6th grade. If you look closely, I used to curl a lot while writing my letters. I thought that made them look more cooler, more creative and good. So yes, these are the oldest drawings which I have currently. Thank you for asking. Good question. Moving on to our next question, and we have your favorite anime and when did you start watching it? My favorite anime is Naruto, and I started watching it back in when I was in 8th grade. Again, a very long time ago. What's your motivation for drawing? My motivation for drawing is you guys, because every time I draw a new drawing, I am always very excited to see the response, and you always appreciate me, appreciate my work, which is one of the best feeling for an artist when someone recognizes their art, acknowledge their efforts, and appreciate their work. After uploading a new video, a new drawing or a tutorial, I get so motivated to make more and more drawings and more videos, more content. So my motivation is you guys. Moving on to our next question. It is, did you were excited for Boku no Hero season 3? Yes, obviously I am very excited for Boku no season 3. The season 1 and season 2 were really awesome. I really love this story. It's one of the best animes I have ever watched. So yes, that's why I am really looking forward for the season 3. And also I'm gonna draw a lot more awesome drawings from Boku no Hero season 3. Have you ever tried to draw real sketches like human faces? If yes, would you like to show us? And did you ever met any of your subscriber outside while roaming? Okay, yes, I have tried drawing real sketches, but very few. I will show you one of my real human sketch. So as you can see, it was a birthday gift to my father on his 44th birthday. I have also written the date down below, which is 14 June 2016. which is almost 2 years back, and this was the last human sketch I ever did. After that, I did not draw any human sketch. Actually, I don't really enjoy drawing humans. I find drawing anime characters more fun than drawing humans. I drew this 2 years back. I'm pretty sure I can do better than this now if I try. Again, this was without any guidelines, so I was really happy how it turned out. It looked pretty much the same, and my father was really happy after watching this drawing. And for your next question, did I ever met any of my subscribers while roaming outside? No, I did not yet, and I don't really go outside very often. I spend most of the time in this room drawing and making videos. That was a good question again. Moving on, can we use Sakura White gel pen in place of a Uniball? Actually, I have not used Sakura White gel pen, so I can't really say how it works. But as far as I know, there should not be much difference between these two pens, because most of the white pens work almost the same. So probably you should be able to use Sakura White gel pen in place of Uniball. Which character do you feel to draw harder, male or female? Actually, it is pretty much the same. I don't really feel harder to draw a male character or a female character. I'm able to draw both male and female quite smoothly, so there is not much of a difference. Ayush, who is your favorite Goku transformation? Stay awesome, Ayush. Thank you. My favorite Goku's transformation is Super Saiyan 3, because I think he looks really cool with the long hair and with no eyebrows, and that's why Goku Super Saiyan 3 is my favorite. Moving on to the last question of the Q&A, and it is, do you have a hobby besides drawing? Yes, I do have a hobby besides drawing. Actually, it's not one, it's more than one. And they are, first is playing guitar, second is practicing martial arts, and the last one is playing video games. Yes, these are the hobbies which I really enjoy to do except drawing, and this is the first time I'm sharing this on my channel. I have only shared my drawings with you all till now, but I also really enjoy practicing martial arts, but I have never really shared anything about it. And for the video games, I have always been a big fan of video games. Currently my favorite games which I usually play are Call of Duty Black Ops 3 and Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm 4. And I've also played a lot of other games like Uncharted, GTA 5 and so many more. So these are the hobbies which I like and enjoy to do except drawing. And that was the Q&A, guys. I really enjoyed answering these questions. These were some of the best questions asked so far. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share your views down below in comment section. Share this video with your friends to support my channel. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then hit that subscribe button for more awesome drawings, videos, tutorial, Q&As and more. Also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube, and do follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush Pencilart for getting my latest drawing updates, for which I'll be also sharing the links down below, so go check them out. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.